Hello, I'm Officer Judy Hops. How to follow school rules. You might have seen different schools everywhere. How do they look like? It's quite a similarity. In each hallway, we put instruction for all children. The major part is the principal, who is the head teacher or director of school. Teachers who help children in each and every class are in the intermediate part. And children are in the minor part, who learns against teachers. Sometimes, the children fight each other in the class. Some of them complain if bothered, and others who are not bothered. We would like to follow these rules. First rule: walk, but do not run in hallways and stairways. If you run, you'll fall or collide, resulting in injury. Second rule: never push people while walking. You'll hurt other people. Such an act will result you in fight, if you did. Third rule: keep to the right in corridors and in stairways, for all children to avoid head-on collision, while others come from opposite direction. Fourth rule: always use each step going up and down stairs. This is not an indoor playground. Any student who jumps from the stairs should be warned such in order to prevent accidents. All you have to do is to hold the handrail if you slip. Fifth rule: keep classroom and aisles clear. Be careful that every material could be injurious next to person. Make sure that the seats should be properly arranged. Do not let children keep feet along aisles, or else they may slip or injure. Sixth rule: don't let students use equipment without authorization. It should only with the permission of the teacher or instructor that experiments with chemicals in the laboratory are carried out by students. All you have to do is to wear safety equipments, such as protective clothing, helmets, goggles, or other garments dedicated to protect persons from injury or infection. Seventh rule: report damaged equipment to the authority. Any student who is fond of tampering equipment must be warned. Broken seats and desks, or other damaged equipment could be injurious to people. It must be taken down for repairs. Eighth rule: in case of fire, use the emergency exits provided by school manager. Do not let anyone use lifts. We must prepare a fire drill while the alarms go out. And ninth rule: abide by school rules of proper conduct. Some safety threats may emanate from the conduct of student or teachers towards one another. Anyone who fight against parties based on school rules and regulations would definitely serve as a deterrent to others. So, he or she will not be given a room. If breaking the school laws, that is a violation of school community. I hope everything is all prepared for the school rules. We wish you good luck. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.